faith in our words, pride in our souls. I warmly welcome everyone to this virtual Independence Day program. Myself, Suha Khadija, and I will be your host.
Good morning, everyone. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. I am Ismail Hisham from grade 10 and I am going to be your host for today.
अब भी जिसका खून नहीं खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है. जो देश के काम में ना आई वो बेकार जवानी है. This dialogue from Rang De Basanti gives goosebumps to all listeners, but it suits best for those freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for us. Exactly 75 years ago, August 15, 1947, India got its independence from the British rule. On this day, just like any other year, the tricolour flag will be unfurled in the Red Fort by the Prime Minister of India. On this day, the citizens pay great respect towards the nation and those freedom fighters who bravely fought for our independence. However, this year, there will be no grand celebration or social gathering, keeping COVID-19 pandemic in our minds. So let's make the best out of it through this virtual Independence Day program. Music is the moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to imagination, and everything to begin this auspicious event. Here are the girls from grade 10 with the prayer song.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. शुद्धता से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम. शुद्धता से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम. हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम. तुम्हीं से है आगाज़ तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम. गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम. हाँ, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम. तुम्हीं से हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु.
Hope is that stubborn thing inside of us which insists that despite all the evidences to the contrary, something better awaits us, said Barack Obama. So here we have the welcome speech by Soha Fatima from grade 6.
A very good morning and happy independence to all. A beautiful smile is the best universal welcome. I, Soha Fatima, feel honored and privileged to welcome you all to the celebration of our 74th Independence Day. After many years of struggle, where our freedom fighters were hanged, imprisoned and tortured, we could see the light of the day. Yes, I am proud to be an Indian. I take pride in my Indian identity. And I am very much sure that every young Indian here feels the same zeal and enthusiasm. With this note, let me welcome our Chairman Haidar Sir, Managing Director Reshma Ma'am and Managing Trustee Faisal Sir, who are the tower of the strength of the institution. Dear Principal Firoza Ma'am, I welcome you who has been the guardian spirit and guiding us throughout. I would also like to welcome our Admin Reshma Ma'am and a PRO, Nida ma'am, for being the rockline support and assisting us throughout. I also welcome the pillar of support, our coordinators and loving teachers who have guided and tutored the children to perform and showcase their innate talent and make it happen virtually. A warm welcome to the participants who have put all their efforts into their performance to make this event better and to create a patriotic spirit in each one of them. Luckily, we have an excellent group of audience here. The parents and students who have graced this event with their esteemed presence. Let us have a big round of applause for all. So let us start this program not only by acknowledging the lives we lost, but cherish and celebrate their fights and this day with pride. Jai Hind.
It is better to create than to learn. Creating is the essence of life. Now I call upon Shaurya Shailesh for the essence of the day.
अब भी जिसका खून न खोला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम ना आए वो बेकार जवानी है. These lines from the famous movie Rang De Basanti suits those fighters who sacrificed their lives for us. Exactly 75 years ago, that is 15th August 1947, our country got freedom from the British rule. Freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and many more helped our country to be what we are today. India had achieved independence after years of struggle. On this day, it ceased to be a colonial nation and secured full autonomy from the British that ruled over it for years. The day holds great significance in the hearts of every Indian citizen living in India or abroad. Oppression is never more than just a generation away, because freedom isn't transferred from father to son, from blood to blood. Every person in this world has to fight for their freedom, like our martyrs whom we honor today. Every person has to fight to make our society a better place for everyone to live in. It is a day of immense pride for all Indians as we commemorate the sacrifices made by millions of our freedom fighters who had sacrificed their lives in the freedom struggle with their unfaltering grit and patriotism, forcing the British Empire to finally retreat. Thank you.
Warm greetings to the management, coordinators, all the teachers, admin staff members, parents and lovely students. I hope this day finds you in the best spirits. Hope you all are safe and secure during this pandemic time. The COVID-19 pandemic has halted the normal lifestyle of people across the globe. The virtual world has come to the rescue. Amidst the deadly outbreak of COVID-19, I strongly believe that hope is strength. The concept of traditional education has changed radically as it has entered the new era of revolution of online education. The pandemic situation has given a stimulus to accelerate with online learning. Education is going to be digital in the foreseeable future. At Prestige, we are dedicated to a student-centered program that promotes academic excellence through an enriched, rigorous, interdisciplinary curriculum. Let us promise each other in setting and reaching attainable goals, working harder and smarter, and taking our school and student achievement to the next level of greatness. I congratulate everyone on this Independence Day. We cannot merely say that 15th August is solely about freedom. This day is a plethora of emotions. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence, and to all the things, it makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. We are all indebted to our national heroes who made this country what it is today. As patriotic citizens, let's put extra effort into performing our civic responsibilities. Our diversity should not be seen as a weakness, but as our greatest strength. It is our responsibility as proud citizens to this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. It is only by working together that we can build a resilient and thriving nation. Happy Independence Day.
Today, as our flag rolls up high, let every fold bring pride, glory and joy to our hearts. To add an extra dose of sweetness and cheers to this glorious day, here are the youngest and the most adorable students of Montessori and grade 1 and 2. Watch them as they display their love for the nation, our India.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ए हिंदुस्तां हमारा. Freedom is India. We have been gifted with freedom on 15th August 1947. Today we are celebrating 75 years of independence. We are able to live peacefully because of many Indians who sacrificed their life for us. Montessori 2 and 3 feel proud to show you some leaders who fought against wrong for right.
She was brave and strong as a lioness. Her roar scared the enemy. Her sword won the battle. We have Niyati Punja of Montessori 2 as Rani Lakshmi Bai.
मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी. झांसी को अंग्रेजों के हाथों में नहीं जाने दूंगी. I am brave, very brave queen. I fought the Britishers and faced from them. I learned horse riding and archery. I love my country. Jai Hind.
She was the queen of Kittur and the pride of Karnataka. She fought the British and became the hero of India. Let us watch Rishva Aisha of Montessori 3 as Kittur Rani Chennamma.
Kittur Rani Chennamma. I am strength. I am fierce. Love for love. War for war. Wake up, woman. Show the world. You have the power to achieve all. I am sacrifice my life for you. It's time for you to sacrifice your ego and believe in one nation, one feeling, only love, no hate. Bharat Mata ki jai!
Inqilab Zindabad, said our great soldier Bhagat Singh, who fought till his last breath. We have Rayan Azween Ahmed of Montessori 3 with the same Josh.
Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad. I am Bhagat Singh, and Indian sausage revolutionist and freedom fighter. I love calling Shahid Bhagat Singh. I was inspired by my father and uncle to take part freedom struggle. I fought for prisoners in Indian jail. Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad! Thank you.
He was a leader, a fighter who only wanted freedom for India. Muhammad Arsh from Montessori 3 will show us the leadership of the great Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. I am Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, one of the freedom fighters of India. I was the president of Indian National Congress. In 1943, I went to Japan and began the Indian National Army to fight against the Britishers. Stay united and be a good citizen. Jai Hind!
He fights the weather to keep the crops better, and that keeps our stomach fuller. Adya of Montessori 3 will share with us the life of a farmer.
ಈ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಸಿರು, ಈ
ಮಣ್ಣು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾರತೀಯನಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬರೆನ ಬಿಲ್ಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕುವಂದ ತುತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ದೇಶ ಹಲವು ಭಾಷಾ, ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
He serves day and night to keep everyone fit and right. Who do you think he is? Yes, he is our savior, a doctor. Let us watch Dr. Almahi Muhammad Rafiq of Montessori 2.
I am Dr. Almahi. I am very busy during the pandemic, saving lives and taking care of the sick. I love my country. What you see, everyone happy and healthy. Please get vaccinated. Wash your hands with soap and water. Don't forget, wear eye mask. Jai Hind.
He stays awake to keep us safe. He fights the bad to spread good. A soldier keeps his country first and himself last. We have a brave soldier with us, Shankar Aryan from Montessori 2.
A warm good morning from a brave soldier, Shankar Aryan. I work hard at the borders to protect our country. We soldiers are alert, prepared, and always fit. We love our country, India. Please be loving each other and take care of yourself. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Bolo Bharat Mata Ki Jai. As we celebrate 75 years of Independence Day, we are thankful to everyone who gives us opportunity to enjoy freedom. India is all about unity and diversity. Let us be India and Indians safe and heart and life. नन्ना मुन्ना राय हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोला मेरे संग जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद. थैंक यू. ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है. हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी है. Yes, each one of us is a proud Indian. Every time we listen to a patriotic song or poem, it encourages us to do something good for our country. It makes us responsible. It also gives us a feeling of love for our motherland and makes us proud of it. So here are my friends with a patriotic poem to express their love and respect for our country, India. मेरा भारत महान, हमारा तिरंगा सबसे न्यारा, सबसे प्यारा. आज तिरंगा लहराता है अपनी पूरी शान से. हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से. आजादी के लिए हमारी लंबी चली लड़ाई थी. लाखों लोगों ने प्राणों से कीमत बड़ी चुकाई थी. व्यापारी बनकर आए और चल से हम पर राज किया. हमको आपस में लड़वाने की नीति अपनाई थी. हमने अपना गौरव पाया अपने स्वाभिमान से. हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों की बलिदान से. गांधी, तिलक, सुभाष जवाहर का प्यारा देश है. जियो और जीने दो का सबको देता संदेश है. सहरी बनकर कदाई माले जिसके उत्तर द्वार पर हिंद महासागर दक्षिण में इसके लिए विशेष है. लगी गूंजने दासों दिशाएं, वीरों के यशगान से हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। हमें हमारी मातृभूमि से इतना मिला दुलार है, इसके आंचल की चैया से ये छोटा संसार है। हम ना कभी हिंसा के आगे अपना शीश झुकाएंगे, सच पूछो तो पूरा विश्व हमारा ही परिवार है। विश्व शांति की चली हवा अपने हिंदुस्तान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। जय हिंद।
That was a very adorable performance by our tiny tots showing their love for our country.
As we all know, the struggle for independent India was all blood, sweat, tears and was not achieved in one stroke. But did we ever stop thinking about the sacrifices the freedom fighters did for our country? I know a busy schedule is a brick wall. But today on this special day, the students of grade 3 to 6 will definitely jar your memory and make us to walk down the memory lane.
In ancient times, people from all over the world were keen to come to India. The Persians, followed by the Iranians and Parsis, immigrated to India. Then came the Mughals, and they too settled down permanently in India. Alexander the Great, followed by Columbus, Vasco da Gama, came to trade with India. The French came and established their colonies in India. And lastly, the Britishers came and ruled over India for nearly 200 years. And then started the struggle for freedom. India's freedom movement against the British was witness to an overwhelming participation of people throughout the country. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Assam to Gujarat, thousands of men and women fought together against atrocities of the British Raj. While many selflessly gave their lives to protect the dignity of their motherland, others got injured and embraced imprisonment. I want you all to understand the pain that these great leaders went through. So let me take you through the alley to the past. The British imposed tax on Indian salt. The tax raised the price of Indian salt and made it difficult for Indians, especially poor people, to buy the salt. Gandhiji and others decided to protest against the British because the salt not only makes our food taste but also essential for our health. So Gandhiji organized a salt march from Gandhi Ashram to Dandi in Ahmedabad. Thousands of people from all over India joined the march to protest against British. They walked about 12 miles a day and reached Dandi in 3 weeks. At the end of the march, Gandhiji picked up some grains of salt from the seashore and took a pledge.
With these crystals of salt, I am going to shake the foundation of the British Empire.
Manikarnika lost her mother at the age of 4 and looked after by her father. Manu was taught riding, fencing and shooting when she was still a child. She married Gangadhar Rao, the Maharaja of Jhansi. As customary with Indian royalty, she came to be known as Rani Lakshmi Bai. She gave birth to a son, but he died when he was 4 months old. Later, Maharaja fell sick. Since there was no heir to succeed, they decided to adopt a son and they adopted a boy named Damodar Rao. Maharaja died the following day. Though Rani lost her husband at the age of 18, she never lost her courage and took up the responsibility of protecting Jhansi, making her adopted son the legal heir. The British refused this and wanted to seize Jhansi, but Rani Lakshmibai didn't give up and decided to protect Jhansi.
मैं झांसी की रानी ये प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि जब तक मेरे शरीर में रक्त है मैं झांसी की पूरी सेवा करूंगी। मैं झांसी उन्हें नहीं दूंगी। झांसी आप भी चाहते हैं और मैं भी। फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि आप राज करना चाहते हैं और मैं अपनों की सेवा। हर हर महादेव।
Right from childhood, Bhagat Singh dreamt of freedom for India from British rule. After the brutal massacre by General Dyer, Bhagat Singh visited Jallianwala Bagh and brought some blood-soaked soil of the people who were massacred, believing this will inspire him to sacrifice everything for the nation's freedom. To take revenge against the British, Bhagat Singh along with his friends Rajguru and Sukhdev shot a British police officer. Later they learned to produce bombs and used it on British in the Central Assembly. Here they didn't try to escape, instead used the court as platform to advocate the nation's freedom. But the court announced that Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev should be hanged to death, and they considered it as it is better to die than to be crunched before the enemy.
ना तो मुझे मौत का खौफ है और नहीं रब का यकीन।
So just now we saw that it is because of all these people and unsung heroes that we can live in a free country. So let us not forget the sacrifices they had made. Now it's our turn to reform the country. We must come together and not let the communal hatred divide us. Our unity will be the best tribute to them, because in the end, this was the purpose of their sacrifices. Happy Independence Day!
Wow, that was a truly mesmerizing performance from grade 3 to 6, a beautiful way to showcase the talents they possess.
The future of the country depends on its students. The perseverance, dedication and commitment to their life will determine the future of India. So now we have Fatima Muzna from grade 8 to take us to the program from the students of grade 7 and
dress ourselves in tricolors and raise our flags to the sky. We happily celebrate Independence Day with glory and pride. Today, let me ask you a question. Is that enough? Have you done your part? As a student, what are your responsibilities? Well, here are my friends with a presentation on the rights and duties of a student.
On this glorious day, we have come together to celebrate our freedom. As a student, what does freedom mean to you? Let us explore this thought, shall we? As a student, we are the future citizens of India. Therefore, we must acknowledge that if we get to exercise our rights, then we must also be able to fulfill our duties. I am a student at Prestige International School, so my rights protected by the Indian Constitution include the right to education, right to quality, right to information, right to freedom of speech and expressions. In conclusion, I have the right to follow my dreams and get good education.
Yes, freedom is a blessing, but let's not forget our duties. As a student, it is my duty to respect my parents, teachers, and friends. My duty as an Indian is to behave in such a way that I contribute to national pride. I must attend classes on time and be regular in my work. I must improve myself by making use of the opportunities given by my school. As a budding citizen, I must take part in social activities to improve my neighborhood, school, and country. These simple rights and duties will help me be the student of the nation. Are you ready to know the true meaning of freedom? Then exercise your rights and also do your duties. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I have the freedom to walk, to run, to sing, and to dance. I have the freedom to praise and love my motherland, India. Dear friends, let us get into the spirit of freedom with a joyful dance performance from my classmates. So raise the tricolor flag, sing along, and cheer for our pride, India. Well, I hope you enjoy the dance as much as I have. Happy Independence Day, my dear friends.
Wow, now that was truly a bliss and an engaging performance from students grades 7 and 8.
You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and your habits will definitely change your future. So now, we present the program from my fellow mates from the grades 9, 10, 11 and 12 with their theme of Future India.
Dear all, I'm Tessie Thomas and I am the Director General for All Aeronautical Systems. I'm also the former project manager of the Agni 4 missile of the Defense Research and Development Organization. I am known as the Missile Woman of India because I am the first woman to be ever given a missile project in India. On this occasion of Independence Day, I have a very important message to all the females out there. As our society will bind us to the traditional stereotypes, we need to come out and spread our wings and become more free and understand the quality of life is not in getting ourselves chained to the stereotypes but breaking them up. So let us break all the stereotypes and come out and become more free and let us start this within our families. Thank you.
Hey all, I'm Sunil Chetri. I'm the captain of India's national football team. I'm a striker for the Bangalore team and an all-time top goal scorer for the national team. As of 2018, I've scored 59 goals in the 99 matches I've played. I wanted to share a few things with you. Listen to everyone because I believe that everyone wants good for you. But at the end, do what you want. Most of the time, people tell you not to do things which they couldn't. So, if you have a dream and want to do something special that no one has done, how can they have answers to your questions? If you don't believe in yourself, how can anyone else do? The day you start doubting yourself, the war is over. If you know yourself, your capabilities and how far you want to reach, therefore never doubt yourself. Thank you and happy Independence Day.
Hi everyone, I'm Rani Rampal. I'm the captain for the Indian women's hockey team and also the striker of my team. At the age of 15, I joined the national team which participated in the 2010 World Cup. I played 212 international matches and scored 134 goals. In 2020, the Government of India honoured me with the Padma Shri. We did not win any medals in the Tokyo Olympics but made a historic 4th place. We have sacrificed a lot of things, time, mind, body, emotions to get here. It will surely take time to recover from this. I'm sure the women's team will be on the podium someday. Thank you.
Namaste, this is Ravi Kumar Daya, Olympic silver medalist in wrestling. I am here today because of my Guruji, Satpal Singh Ji. Sushil Kumar, who has been my guide and role model throughout this journey. Arun Kumar has supported me a lot. My family has supported me a lot too. I have received blessings and support from the people of India, because of which I am here today. Really happy I could bring back silver medal for my country. But I wanted to bring back gold medal. Wanted to see our national flag fly high in Tokyo. But I have not given up. We'll win a gold for India. Going forward, I shall practice as much as possible and make my country proud. Jai Hind.
Hi there, I'm Setu Mirabai Chand. I'm an Indian weightlifter. I have won world championships and multiple medals at the Commonwealth Games. I was awarded Padma Shri by the Government of India for my contributions for the sport and Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award by Government of India in 2018. I am an Indian weightlifter and I have won silver medal at 2020 Tokyo Olympics in women's 49 kg. It's really a dream come true for me. I would like to dedicate this medal to my country and would like to thank all the brilliant prayers done by all Indians which were with me during my journey. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Manpreet Singh Sandhu and I am captain of the India's men's national hockey team. I have won bronze medal to India by representing India in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. I'm not happy that India didn't get gold, but my and my team had put in lots of effort to gain gold, but we couldn't. But Next time, we'll bring the gold to India and our flag will be top of all the flags. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
हर करम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए, दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए।
आजा आजा जिंदू शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम, सस्य श्यामला मातरम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन,
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, रंग दे, रंग दे, रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे। माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, वंदे आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Hi, I am Ali Ayman from grade 9th A. चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है, हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा शान है, बच्चा बच्चा शान है, बच्चा बच्चा शान है, बच्चा बच्चा शान है। हर शरीर मंदिर सा बावन, हर मानव उपकारी है, जहाँ सिंध बन गए खिलौने, जहाँ सिंध बन गए खिलौने। गाय जहाँ माँ प्यारी है, गाय जहाँ माँ प्यारी है। हर शरीर मंदिर सा पावन, हर मानव उपकारी है। जहाँ सिंध बन गए खिलौने, जहाँ सिंध बन गए खिलौने। गाय जहाँ माँ प्यारी है, गाय जहाँ माँ प्यारी है। जहाँ सवेरा शंख बजाता लोरी गाती शान है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा बच्चा बच्चा शान है, बच्चा बच्चा शान है, बच्चा बच्चा शान है, बच्चा बच्चा शान है। चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा बच्चा बच्चा शान है, बच्चा बच्चा शान है, बच्चा बच्चा शान है, बच्चा बच्चा शान है। थैंक यू।
Hello guys, my name is Sandeep Maheshwari and I am one of the greatest businessman, entrepreneur and a motivational speaker in India. I was born in New Delhi 20th September 1980. My father was an aluminium worker. I was born in a middle class family. I was a happy child until my father's business had shut off. This incident took place when I was in grade 10. Now it was my responsibility to take care of my family. I, Sandeep Maheshwari, just before 20 years, I was just a normal old boy without any money, without any help, working for his family. Now I am the greatest businessman. Can you guess why? This is because I never gave up. I started after handling many failures, lots of failures. I still never gave up. I still hope that future youngsters might still prove this right. I still believe the youngsters from India are very true and they will lead to success. And this Independence Day, I wish you happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Hello everyone, PV Sindhu here. Now for those of y'all who don't know me, I'm an Indian professional badminton player and also the first Indian woman to win 2 consecutive medals at the Olympics. Now I've been really happy that I won, but a lot of emotions have been going through me. Should I be happy that I won bronze or should I be sad that I lost the opportunity to play for the finals? But nonetheless, I'd like to close off my emotions here and I'd like to believe that I gave it my best shot and played really well. So anyhow, it sure is a proud moment winning a medal for country, and I will make sure that I play in the 2024 Olympics and get that gold medal. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Neelakanta Bhanu Prakash from Hyderabad. I am titled as world's fastest human calculator after bagging India's first ever gold in the mental calculation world championship at the Mindsport Olympiad in London on August 15th. No Indian has ever won gold at this event. This is a moment of pride for the entire nation and also a good reminder that a lot more has to be done to promote mathematics and mental calculation in this country. But yes, this is the reason why people call me the fastest human calculator in the world. I am not born genius. I don't believe that anyone is born genius. I believe that everyone is born with a numerical competency, and at the end of the day, the blame is never on the individual. The system, the policies and the curriculum, all these determine how you take the first step towards the subject. I am the founder of Exploring Infinities, a math education startup with a team of 30 in Hyderabad. Its aim is to make children fall in love with math through the experimental methods and visualization activities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sirisha Bandla, an aeronautical engineer. I'm one among the 5 astronauts to fly into the space with billionaire Richard Branson on board Virgin Galactic spaceship to Unity. I am the 3rd Indian origin woman to head to the space after Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. I have been dreaming of going to space since I was young and it's literally a dream come true. I am so incredibly honored to be a part of this crew, amazing crew of Unity 22, and to be part of the company whose mission is to make space available to all. I have wanted to be an astronaut, but I wasn't able to go to the traditional National Aeronautical and Space Administration role, and I took a very unconventional way to go to the space, and I do believe that a lot of people are going to be able to experience this, and that's why we are here.
India has been a lot of developments and technological advancement in the past few years. I wish our country, India, would be a developed nation with improved and standard living of life, even for the poorest of poor. Though it is in the path of becoming of India that I dream, and it has a lot more to go. Let's hear it from the newly elected cabinet members of Grade 10 about their dream India.
Dream of India. I dream a dream of my country that makes me happy and so proud. The Asian vast peninsula, that glorious past makes me so proud.
Oh, what a priceless heritage. My motherland is in this globe. For 60 years, a bird out of a cage, it wears a democratic robe.
Its people is its main resource, its integrity, its beauty, its unity, a unique force, its citizens of love, duty.
Communal differences go, let caste and regional wars abate, let dexterity help us more, let love replace the hearts of hate.
Let's be an example to the world, let peace prevail in every sphere. Let's stand to poor, downtrodden, old. Let's progress with minds without fear.
None should stay hungry any day. None should stay unsheltered, I pray. None should lie naked on the way. God loves India, we all must say.
We want to live in stability, we want to help our neighbors all. We want to keep sagacity, we'll rise together each time we fall.
Bharat should aim for the stars, my land should stay away from wars, my eyes should see this dream come true. Let's work for this goal, me and you.
With children smile like the sunlight of beams and the content paints the India door. This is the India of my dreams. My motherland I love, adore.
Jai Hind. I certainly cherish this performance. I have a feeling you're all sitting at home did too. A big thanks to my friends from grade 9 to 12 for putting up this show.
As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Here is Miss Amira Anam Mubashir from grade 2 to express the words of gratitude.
Good morning to one and all. India is my country and I love my India. As a proud Indian, I, Amira Anam Mubashir of grade 2, take this privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this beautiful 75th Independence Day. It was a delight to watch the celebration with our parents, teachers and friends. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chairman, Mr. Haider Ali, our MD, Mrs. Reshma Haider, and our managing trustee, Mr. Said Faisal, for being part of this Independence Day celebration. I gracefully thank our respected principal, Mrs. Feroza Fayaz, our coordinators, Mrs. Shavana, Mrs. Anita, and Mrs. Nasima, and Mrs. Sharmila, our dear teachers of Prestige International School, our admin head, Mrs. Reshma Shetty, and our PRO, Mrs. Nida, for guiding us and giving us an opportunity to unite as Indians to honor our nationality. My humble thanks to our parents, office staff and non-teaching staff of Prestige International School for gracing the occasion. It has been a great day and we have had beautiful performances by the students of Prestige International School who have made this day even more glorified. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the members of the school cabinet as future leaders of our country country. May you be a true example of value and leadership. Let us make a pledge on this day to lead by example. Freedom is a blessing. It is a gift given to us by our freedom fighters. With a responsible heart, we shall follow our dreams to make India paradise on earth. Thank you very much. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
This was truly an eye-opening and a marvelous assembly. Once again, thanks to all the efforts put in by the teachers and students to make this possible. My love for my country is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my country is happiness. I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा